Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Super Mario on 1xBet using an easy method. To begin, simply access the 1xBet platform, either through their website or the convenient mobile app. Once you are logged in, look for the 1x Games section, usually prominent in the main navigation. This area hosts a variety of unique games. From there, you will easily find and select the Super Mario game to start your adventure. It's a straightforward process, getting you into the action quickly and efficiently. Once you've launched the Super Mario game on 1xBet, you'll find the gameplay quite simple. It features Mario jumping to hit various blocks, which may reveal different prizes or outcomes. Before each round, you'll need to place your desired bet. The results are determined by what Mario uncovers from the blocks he interacts with. You can start with a minimum stake of around $0.3, making it accessible for many players to join in the fun. Placing your bets in the Super Mario game is a key part of the experience. Before each jump, you'll select your preferred stake amount. It's important to confirm your bet to ensure it's registered for the round. The game offers exciting potential, with winnings that can multiply your initial stake by up to 9 times. For those looking to play with higher amounts, the maximum stake is usually set at $111.42, providing flexibility for different betting styles. To maximize your enjoyment while playing Super Mario on 1xBet, consider a few helpful tips. It's often wise to begin with smaller bets as you get a feel for the game's rhythm and how the prizes are revealed. Always practice responsible bankroll management to keep your experience fun and sustainable. Take a moment to review the game's specific rules and payout details, usually found within the game interface. Remember, this is a game of chance, so focus on the entertainment value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.